Hi everyone, welcome to SI Sir classes. Today in this video we have to draw a triangle ABC with BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 40 degree and AB minus AC equal to 3.5 cm. So let's start the video. First of all, we have to draw here a line of length 7 cm. So this is starting 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Next, taking here point B and here C. Now we have to draw 80 degree angle on the point B. So putting the compass on the point B and drawing an arc by this way with same length and putting the compass here and cut here with same length, putting the compass here and cut here. Now taking the length from B to this point and putting the compass on the point here and drawing here a arc again with same length and putting the compass on the point B and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a point. Now joining this to get 80 degree angle. Then we have to bisect this angle to get 40 degree. Now checking, so this is perfectly 80 degree. Now bisecting this angle, so taking same length and putting the compass here and drawing here a arc again with same length, putting the compass here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a point. Now joining this line to get 40 degree angle. Now checking, so this is perfectly 40 degree. So this angle is 40 degree. Next, taking the length 3.5 centimeter by using compass by this way, 3.5 centimeter, and putting the compass on the point B and cut here. So taking here point D. Now joining C and D. Next, bisecting DC line. So putting the compass on the point D and taking greater than half of DC and drawing arc by this way with same length and putting the compass here and cut here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a 2 point. Now joining this line and which meet the line at a point A. Now joining A and C to get the triangle ABC and taking here P point, and this is perpendicular to DC line. So now roughly discussing some calculation here. So here AP perpendicular to DC and which bisect DC equally. So this length DP and PC also equal. So DP equal to PC. Then by perpendicular bisector theorem we can say that the length AD and AC are equal. So AD equal to AC. So AD equal to AC. Now we can write AB. So AB equal to AD plus DB or BD implies that AB minus AD equal to BD. Now replacing AD equal to AC. So here AC and BD equal to 3.5 centimeter. That's the proof. So therefore triangle ABC, so triangle ABC is a triangle with BC equal to 7 centimeter, angle B equal to 40 degree and AB minus AC equal to 3.5 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, then